So everyone switch on your camera.
We did till 13th question.
13th we have already discussed, correct?
We have to start from 14.
13th. Start from 14. It was homework. So now ask me what you have doubt. Which question? Rajshri, done everything? No doubt?
No, sir, I'm not.
Sir, 22.
Aditya Krishna,
Yes, sir.
why you are asking? You have already cleared these questions.
I did not understand this.
Okay, ठीक है, I'll do it. Yes, others. Oh, no doubt, nothing. Then I can pick anyone and ask you. 22nd question. Yes, who will solve 22nd question? Aditya has this doubt. 22nd question. Who will solve? 22nd question. Diagram is. So this is a circle. OPQR is a square. A circle drawn with the center O. Cut it at X and Y. Prove that QX is equal to QY. This you have to prove. Who will solve this question? This is all our 90 degree. Mute Manish. Mute yourself. Yes, tell me. Tell me. What? You have done it. There was no doubt, na? Everything is clear. Please, if you will not nominate yourself, I will pick you.
So your board.
At the board to just now we checked. It's not. It's clear, na? I can also see. I have joined with another device also.
For me, so it's little bit blur.
So can I tell?
Wait, Aditya. Let others also say something on this. Yes. If not, then I will go to Vijay. Vijay Aristan. I have asked you to do NCRT all the exercise question quickly. NCRT, or sorry, example questions. Vijay, did you get it?
Sir, I'm doing revision for my exam, sir.
That's what I'm telling, na. Revision. If you have done with that, so for practice you do example questions of NCRT. If you are done
Okay,
with
sir.
the revision.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, tell me. Okay, ठीक है. I will. Rajashri, tell me.
Sir, I have not yet reached to this question.
Why? That was homework, Rashi. You cannot afford to do this. I did it till 13, and 10 question in 2 days. Difficult to complete.
No. No.
Then Vishal.
Sir, I didn't do till that question.
Okay, difficult to complete homework, correct? Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, solution.
Yes, sir. Sir, we need to construct OY and OX.
OY and OX, okay. I will construct OY and OX. ठीक है? Join OY and OX. Take. Now,
Sir, in triangle YRO
in triangle YRO
and triangle XPO,
XPO, okay?
YO is equal to XO.
YO equals to XO. Reason?
Sir, that radius.
Okay. Then
RO equal to PO.
RO equals to POY.
Sides of square are equal.
Okay. Sides of square are
And angle YRO equal to angle XPO.
YRO equals to angle XPO. 90 degree, correct?
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
So, the triangle YRO is congruent to triangle XPO.
YRO is congruent to triangle XPO, okay?
By SAS.
By
SAS.
SAS. Where is SAS? Tell me. You are telling this one, you are telling this one, and you are telling this one. So how SAS should be SAS? Angle should include between these two sides, between two adjacent sides. RHS.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. RHS.
Always I'm telling you, SAS means if these two triangles are congruent, SAS means side angle side. This angle should be in between the sides which are congruent. Here it is RHS. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Then YR equal to XP.
Just hold on a
CPCT.
second. Just hold on a second. Yes. So these two are congruent. So then Ishan. So what?
YR equal to XP.
YR equal to
CPCT.
XP CPCT. Very good. Okay.
And then QR equal to OP. Sides of square are equal.
QR equals OP. QR equals
OP.
QR is equal to OP. So ठीक है then.
Then QR minus YR equals to QR minus XP. So therefore
Arey, you
QY
are
equal
telling
to
OP. Why you are telling QP? You have to tell na. QR equals to QP. Correct?
yes, sir.
Of square R equal. QR equals QP. So you will say QR minus YR equals to QP minus xp,
Yes, sir.
which is equals to qy
Qy.
equals to qx. Prove. Correct? Very good, Ishan. Very good. Very good, Ishan. Others, did you get it?
So can you explain again?
He joined XO and YO.
Yes, sir.
Now in these two triangles, he proved congruent by R, H, and S. Therefore, you can say YR is equals to XP,
Yes, sir.
CPCT.
Yes, sir.
Now QR is equals to QP. Correct?
Yes, sir.
YR equals to XP. You have already proved now.
Yes, sir.
So QR minus YR is QY and QP minus XP is QX.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Got it? Okay. Yes. Then anything else? Please write it. Those who have not solved, please write it, the solution. Ishan, how many questions done? How many left out in this exercise?
Sir, I finished the exercise.
Finish the exercise. Jump to exercise 2. Second, 12B exercise. You all know the theorems. Jump to that one and start finding the angles quickly. 12A. Those who have not done homework, you were supposed to finish it. But in the meantime, I'll start doing 12.12B now. Should I rub this?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, are we doing doubt questions? I
Yeah,
joined.
that's
this.
what I'm asking now from the beginning. Any doubt? 12A.
Sir, I joined just now, sir.
Okay. What's
I
your
have
doubt?
16 question.
16th question. Okay. Okay. Please, should I rub this if you have taken the solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the given figure, AB is a chord of a circle with center O. AB is a chord of a circle with center O. Circle AB is a chord of a circle with center O, and AB is produced to C such that BC is equals to OA. BC is equals to OB. Also, CO is joined. CO is joined and produced to meet at D. Okay. If ACD is Y and AOD is X, AOD is X, prove that X is equals to 3Y. You have to prove X is equals to 3Y. CO is joined with D. Okay. So how many of you have done this question? Aditya one. Anybody else? Nobody. If this is y, this is y, sides are equal. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be this angle? What will be that angle value?
180 minus x plus y.
Yes, very good. 180 minus x plus y. Okay. And what will the angle? These two angles are also equal because radii equal. So angles are also equal. Correct? Yes, no. Respond back.
Yes,
No?
sir.
So what will be the value of this angle? These two angle?
Why?
I say don't do guesswork. If y, then why? Tell me. If y, how you are telling that is y?
So OA equal to OP, I guess.
OA is equals to OP. OA is equals to OP. Where is P?
OB, B for
Of
ball.
course. Of course. Both angles are, both sides are equal. Angle is also equal.
So Y equal.
Hmm?
So so angle A is equal to angle BOC.
Angle A is equals to angle BOC.
No, and ABO. Angle Y is equal to angle ABO.
ABO. Angle Y, you are telling Y is equals to ABO. How? How
So
come?
so you told the sides are equal.
So angle Y is equals to, you are telling this one, this is also Y.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. Tell me. Anything else? Are you seeing anything else? If this is Y, this is Y. And this is X.
So can I?
Wait. Let these
So wait a
people
second.
also.
I got it.
These people. What happened to others? Prithvi, Rajshri, Sunanda, you are doing multiple times. Ayush, Ishan, Manish, Punya, just coming and sitting. Everything is on the
The
board.
angle ABO is equal to 180 minus 2y.
180 minus 2y. How come 180 minus 2y?
So ABO is ABC is straight line.
ABC straight line. ठीक है. Okay. So how this is 180 minus 2y?
Sorry, sir. It will be 2y.
Why 2y?
So exterior angle.
Very good. Exterior angle is what? Exterior angle is what?
Then BOC is equal to BCO.
BOC is equals to BCO. ठीक है. This is, so I've already marked it.
Yeah.
Why this is 2y?
So triangle. So BOC is a triangle.
BOC is a triangle. ठीक है. Good.
And angle B is exterior angle.
Very good. So exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angle. So this is
Yes,
making
sir.
an exterior angle. This is y. This is y. So this will become 2y. Correct. Very good. Go ahead. Now go ahead. Now go ahead. You're on the right track. You're on the right track. Others also you can tell. Don't keep mum everything. What to tell? You're not putting any effort. Sir, this angle X you have to find. Are you finding something here? This way, to, I mean, if this is 2y, what will be this angle?
2y.
Why 2y?
Radians are same, sir.
Yes, very good. If this angle is also 2y, this angle is also 2y, what is the relation?
X is no.
Ah, ठीक है. You are telling something right. Tell me. Go ahead.
Sir, X is exterior angle.
Of exterior angle of?
Angle AOC triangle AOC.
Yes, very good. So X is equals to
Uh,
2y
3y
plus
3y
3y.
3y
2y plus y
because it's exterior angle.
equals to 3y. Finish. Done. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
This angle is an exterior angle of triangle AOC. So exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. So this is 2y, this is y. So 2y plus y, 3y. Done, finish, over. Prithvi,
Yes, sir.
anything else? Okay. Then jump to next exercise 12b. O is the center of the circle. If OAB is equals to 40 degree, and OCB O is center. If OAB is 40 degree, sorry, wrong diagram. OABC. OAB is 40 degree and this angle is 30 degree. AOC, you have to find this angle. Quick answer. Just put it on chat. Put it on chat, quick.
Sir, OAC.
OAC, AOC, this angle.
Okay.
Sir, I sent you.
No, Ayush wrong, Aditya Krishna wrong. Yeah, this too much time. Yeah, now Ishan correct, Ayush again wrong. join BO, what will be this angle? 30 degree. This is 40. What will be this angle? 40 degree. So this angle together is 70. Angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. So this is 70. What will be this? 140. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. In the figure, ABC are 3 points on the circle with center O such that AOB is 90 degree and AOC is 1110. Find BAC. This angle you have to find. Angle BAC. Quick.
So is my answer correct?
No.
So can you check mine?
Aditya Krishna correct. Sunanda correct. Others, can you take this pen to solve this question? Can you take the pen to solve the question? Sahil wrong. Ishan correct. Vishal correct. Sir, this is 90. This is 110. So altogether it's 200. What is left out? 160. You have to find this. This will be half of this. 80 degree. Next question. Did you get it? And or anyone has doubt?
No, sir.
Next question. BOC. In the given figure, O is the center of circle. Angle AOB is 70 degree. Calculate angle OCA and angle OAC. Yes, Vijay and Aristan.
Sir, O is the center, right?
Yes, Vijay and Aristan.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt anywhere?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm doing it.
Okay.
Sir, I sent you my answer.
Yes, Aditya, that's the correct answer. Manish wrong. Rashi correct. Punya correct. Prithvi correct. Manish wrong. Manish, what you are doing? What is the value of Manish? Open, switch on your mic.
Yes,
Unmute
sir.
your mic. What is this value? This angle?
110.
110. These two are equal.
Yes, sir.
So what will the value?
2x plus 110 is equal to 180.
So x is equals to
70 by 2,
what is the value?
35.
So what you are writing then? Next question. O, in this figure, O is the center of the circle. PBC is 25 degree. APB is 110. Find angle ADB. ADB. Quick answer. Aditya Deshpande,
Yes, sir.
are you doing these questions or you're doing NCRT?
Sir, I'm doing NCRT.
Okay. You have done everything, all this?
Yes, I've done the second exercise.
Mhm. Yes, no answer till now. Strange. Yes, Ishan, very good. Others? Ishan,
Yes, sir.
tell me how to solve.
Sir, angle ACB equals to angle PCB.
ACB is equals to PCB. Both same angle you are talking about, na? ACB or PCB, both are same angle.
So angle BPC equal to 180 degree minus angle APB.
Angle BPC. Let's suppose this angle is X. So what you're telling? Ishan,
Yes, sir. Angle BPC equal to 180 degree minus
BPC equals to angle BPC is equals to 180 degree minus,
angle APB.
okay, 110. So it is 70 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is 70. So,
So in angle triangle PCB,
huh?
angle PCB plus angle BPC equal to angle CBP equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property.
So what is the value of this angle?
85.
85. So next, what?
As angles in the same segment of circle are equal, so angle ADB and equal to angle ACP.
Very good.
Sorry, ACB equal to 185.
Very good.
Sorry, 85. Sorry.
Got it? Others?
Yes, sir.
Next question. In the given figure, O is the center. O is the center of the circle, and angle ADB is 35. ABD is 35, and this one is 70 degree. Find ACB, angle ACB.
Sir, can you repeat the
It's already given. O is the center. You have to find ACB, angle ACB. This is C. ACB you have to find. Yes, anyone?
Can you give a clue?
What, Aditya?
Any hint?
Any hint? nahi? Hint. O is the center. That is a big hint. O is the center.
Yeah, now I got it.
Put the answer on the chat.
So wait a second, I'm solving it.
Yes, Ishan, correct answer. Anybody else?
So I did not understand.
Okay. Then Ishan will solve. Yes, Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in semicircle, angle is right angle.
Very
So
good.
angle BAD equal to 90 degree.
Okay, BAD is 90 degree. Since this is 70, so this will be 20, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, in triangle BAD,
BAD, okay.
angle ADB plus angle BAD plus angle ABD equal to 180 degree.
Yes, okay.
So angle ADB plus 90 degree plus 35 degree equal to 180 degree.
Okay, so this angle is
55.
55.
Yes, sir. And then angles in same segment of circle are equal. So angle ACB equal to angle ADB equal to 55.
Very good. Did you get others? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has doubt?
No, sir.
Next question. This is fifth. O is the center of the circle. Angle ACB 50 degree. ACB is 50 degree. OAB. You have to find OAB. This angle you have to find. Angle OAB.
Can I tell?
OAB. OAB.
So can I solve?
You put the answer there, no?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Aditya, correct answer. Others, do it fast.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Yes, Rajarshi, correct answer. Yes, Aditya Krishna.
Yes, sir. Angle AOB is equal to 100 because angle ACB is equal to is
Same
50 degree.
segment may you can say
Yes, sir.
on the
So,
circumference
2
it is
theta.
half and this is theta. 2 theta and double the angle you tell.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is 100.
And
Okay.
so angle OAB is equal to angle OBA because the radius are equal.
So x plus x is equals to 100. Sorry, x plus s is equals to 180 minus 100. Correct?
Yes, sir.
2x is equals to 80. X is equals to 40.
40.
Anyone has any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone? Next question. In the figure ABD, ABD is 54 degree and this is 43 degree. Calculate angle ACD, angle BAD and angle BDA. Yes. All three angle you write it. All three angle. What happened? Yes, Ishan, that's the correct answer. Okay, Ishan, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Angle in same segment of circle are equal. So angle ABD equal to angle ACD
Yes,
equal
this
to
is
54.
54. So, and this is a chord. So, same segment. This is also 54.
Yes,
Next.
sir. So same angle of in same segment of circle are equal. So angle BAD equal to angle BCD equal to 43 degree.
Because this is the chord. Same
Yes,
segment.
sir.
Yes.
And then in triangle ABD, we
ABD.
angle BDA plus angle BAD plus angle DBA equal to 180 degree. So angle BDA plus 43 plus 54 equal to 180. So angle, yes, sir.
Good. Very good, Ishan. Did you get it, others?
Yes, sir.
What happened to others? At least respond back whether you are getting, you are not getting.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Why cameras are not on? Everyone switch on your camera. Next question. 7th. In the joint figure, DE is a chord. DE is a chord parallel to diameter AC of the circle with center O. If CBD is 60 degree, calculate angle CDE. CDE. No answer yet. Yes, Vishal. Very good. That's the correct answer, Vishal. Yes, solve it, Vishal. You solve.
Sir, now AC is the diameter.
Huh?
So the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So ADC is 90 degree.
Okay.
Sir, so now DC is the chord.
DC is the chord.
So the angle between inside a chord is 60 degree.
Inside the coordinate
Same
angle,
segment.
the same segment. Huh?
Yes, sir. So angle DAC is 60 degrees.
Okay.
So 90 plus 60 is 150.
Huh?
So angle ACD is 30 degrees. So now AC
90
is parallel to DE. So angle ACD is equal to angle CDE, alternate interior angle.
Very good. This is
Thank you, sir.
30 degree.
How is that angle B is equal to angle A?
This is parallel. AC is parallel to D, and this is a
The
transverse.
angle A equal to angle B.
Listen, now, Aditya, listen.
Yes, sir.
AC is parallel to DE,
Yes, sir.
and CD is a transverse.
Yes, sir.
So this is making an alternate angle.
Yes, sir.
So this is 30. This will be 30.
So I asked angle why angle A is equal to angle B.
Sir, what is this?
So not that.
Sir is asking B and B.
DAC, why DAC, angle DAC is equal to angle DBC.
DBC. So that is what I'm asking. What is this? Now you
So,
tell me why it is equal. What is this? A chord
yes, sir.
making an angle 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Same chord will make the same angle.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me why it is 60 degree.
So both are in same segment.
Same segment. Angle making on the in the same segment at the circumference is equal. Theorem.
Yes, sir.
So if this is 60, this will be 60. And this
Yes,
is
sir.
90 because it's a
A
semicircle.
semicircle.
90 plus 60 is 150. And
Yes,
this
sir.
triangle may 180 minus 150 is 30. Got it now?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Others, did you get it? Anyone still has any problem? Vijay, tomorrow you have supposed to write test. It test is from your portion only. Did you get it, Vijay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
AOB is a okay. In the adjoint figure, O is the center of the circle. Chord CD is parallel to diameter AB. Angle ABC, angle ABC is 25 degree. Calculate CED, angle CED.
Sir, is AOB a straight line?
AOB is a diameter. Prithvi, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? And by the way, Prithvi, your answer is correct. Yes, Prithvi, tell me.
Yes, sir. First, we can join O to D.
O to D.
D
Okay.
and O to C.
O to C. Okay.
Angle BCD
B, C, and D. Angle BCD. Okay.
is equal to ABC.
ABC 25 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now we know that angle subtended by arc of the circle in the center is like the double of it at
Correct.
the
Correct.
circumference.
Correct.
So BOD is equal to 2 times of
So this is
BCD.
50 degree. Okay. Now
Even AOC will be 50 degree.
AOC will be 50 degree. Okay.
Sir, COD is unknown, so let it be X.
Why COD is unknown now? When you are telling this is 50, this is 50, and
Sir,
this is
for
a straight
now,
line.
sir.
So this is a straight line.
Yes, sir. 50 plus 50 plus
So what is
COD
this
is equal
value?
to 180 degree.
So this is 80 degree.
Yes, sir.
So this is 40
CAD
degree.
will be 40, half of.
Finish. Others, what he did, very good, Prithvi. What he did, he joined OC and OD. Now you see this BD arc BD is making an angle 25 degree at circumference. So arc BD will make an angle 50 degree at this circumference. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now arc AC is making an angle 25 degree at this circumference. So arc AC will make double angle at the center. That is 50. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is AOB is the diameter. So this is 80 degree. So this is 80. So this CD chord is making an angle 80 degree as circumference. So this will make half an angle at the, sorry, CD is making an angle 80 degree at center. So it will make half an angle at the circumference. Please note down the solution. If you have doubt, you ask me now. Anyone has doubt?
Can you repeat how is it 50 degree?
This angle, this arc AC is making an angle 25 degree at the circumference. So this arc will make double the angle at the center.
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
Please take the solution. Do it properly. Next question, 9th. In the given figure, AB and CD are the straight lines. AB and CD are the straight lines through the center O of a circle. If angle AOC is 80 degree and CDE is 40 degree, angle ADCE and angle ABC.
So is my answer correct?
Yes, correct.
So can I solve?
Rashi. Wait, Rashi has answered this time, so Rashi will solve. I'm giving 1 minute more time to others as well. Yes, Vishal, that's the correct answer. Yes, Rashi, tell me.
Yes, sir. So first, like in a semicircle, we know that the angle near the circumference is like 90 degree.
Yes.
So we can say that angle CED equals to 90.
CED is equals to 90 degree because it's a diameter. Okay.
Yes, sir. Then so in like by angle sum property, 40 plus 90 plus angle ECD equals to 180 degrees. So that's 50 degree.
Okay.
So next is by angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. So this is angle 100 degree. Yes, sir. So now in angle, in triangle OBC, by angle sum property, 50 plus 100 plus that angle, yeah, that will be 30 degree.
Very good. Anyone has any doubt how it has come? No? Okay. We'll take the 10th one. O is the center of the circle. AOB is 40 degree. And BDC, this one, BDC is 100 degree. Find angle OBC. Yes, Sunanda, that's the correct answer. Sir, when you get these type of questions, you are getting some angles at center, some angle at circumference. So start finding all the angles. You will get your answer. Ayush, correct answer. Prithvi, correct. Everyone, this time everyone should give right answer. Rajashi, correct. Aditya Krishna, correct. Yes, Sunanda. How to do this?
Angle AOC will be.
Your voice is not audible, Sunanda.
Sir,
No.
Can you hear me?
No, I think you have. I mean, the volume of your mic is little low, seems so. Anyway, the second one was Ayush. Ayush. Ayush, what is this? Ayush? Very lot of disturbance from your side. Third one is Prithvi. Prithvi. Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, like AOB is equal to 2 times of DCB because angle subtended by
So
an
this is
arc
40. So this will be
uh, 80.
what?
Sorry, 40. Sorry.
What? Have you solved it or not, Prithvi?
Yes, sir.
Then what is this angle?
It's 40.
How can it be possible when you are giving right answer, you don't know the value of this angle, measure of this angle?
So what?
Can I tell?
Like,
Wait, Aditya. Still you are not telling.
so it's 20.
First you said
Half.
80, then 40, then 20. After that you will tell 10. Why it is 40 or why it is 20 or why it is 80? Tell me. Prithvi.
Or it will be half of 40.
So half is what? This is 40. So what will be the value of this?
20.
Why you said 80 and 40 then?
Sorry.
Okay, next.
So in triangle DCB, DBC plus BDC plus DCB is equal to 180.
This is 120, so this is 60. Hope everyone got this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. DB and EAC. Yeah, AC and BD of a circle with center O intersect at right angle at E. OAB is 25 degree. Find angle EBC. This angle you have to find. No one? I will start giving hint now. Do you want hint?
Yes, I want.
Join OB.
Can you give next hint? I got till here.
Find this angle. What is the value of this angle? Measure this angle.
130.
Yes, 130. Because this is 25. So radius, isosceles triangle, base angle equal to 25.
180 minus 50.
130. Now AB is chord, making at the center 130, at the circumference. Tell me.
65.
65. Sir, I got it.
65.
Yes, sir.
Now
So then angle BEC equals 90.
90.
Then by angle sum property, this is some 25.
25. Done. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Remaining questions we have done 12B exercise till 11 question. So 7 questions are left out, which is as homework plus NCRT you are supposed to do. Except cyclic quadrilateral from NCRT, all the exercise. But tomorrow you have test. I think everyone is aware of it. Maths test portion already given. Hello.
So what time will
Sir,
the
yes.
test be?
10 o'clock. Okay, ID and time I will tell you.
Okay,
10
sir.
o'clock. Tomorrow you have test. And
So
one
how
more
much
thing. One more thing. Many people of many of you are using Google. Whether it is good for you or bad for you, you are grown enough to decide. And don't think that teachers doesn't know whether you are using Google or not. It's up to you. If you want to use, please go ahead and use it. You are cheating yourself, not to me. And don't think that we are not aware. I know students who are on this screen now who has used Google to solve questions. If you want full marks, just let me know. I will give you full marks. Don't take that much pain to sit down for 2 hours and write exam. Up to you to decide whether you want to use Google or you want to use your own brain. Okay? Vijay and Aristan. Vijay and Aristan.
Yes, sir.
You're supposed to write tomorrow's exam. It is from your portion itself.
Sir, when,
Okay?
sir?
Tomorrow.
Sir,
Already
time.
10 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay? Okay. Now you can
Sir,
leave. Yes?
how many hours test is this?
2 hours.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.